Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. Today we're going to talk about how we generated 1200 leads for this gym client, which helped them get a revenue of 23 lakh rupees. Now this is actually a CrossFit box based out of a very premium posh location in Mumbai. Alright, and they had a lot of celebrities also coming in their fitness center, local celebrities who had some 4 or 5 million followers on Instagram. All of them were coming here, and thus they had a lot of buzz around it. Now, when we first met with the founder said, listen, I don't want to do some crazy discounts like all the other gyms are doing, like 50% off, 60% off, buy one get one free, etc. But I want the premiumness of my gym to retain, but also increase the amount of walk-ins and sales that we're getting for our business. We decided to go ahead with Facebook or Meta ads because we wanted to target people locally. So we went ahead and started setting up our ads, setting up the backend. We decided to target only 1 mile of radius near the gym because not a lot of people will come from far away. Right now, once that was done, we did our usual creative testing, and the ones that were working, we scaled them up, and the ones that were not working, we kind of killed them. Right. So now, talking about numbers, we were able to generate 1200 leads or 1200 leads in a matter of 6-7 months by spending close to 48,000 rupees only. The average cost per lead was only 45 rupees. Now I know what you guys must be thinking, that these leads are not useful because they're in Facebook leads, etc. You should have used a website, and we tried that, but it was not working that well, and we found success by using in Facebook forms. Now this is what I wanted to talk about today. The way of succeeding on Facebook forms, Facebook lead forms, is by setting up an automated system. Right? See, the thing is, if a lead comes and you're not proactive with it, if you don't reach out to them on time, they become waste, and you have to be very, very quick with your responses. All right, but humanly, it's not possible. It's not possible for you to be on your phone all the time while running a business, right? So what we did was we set up an automated system using automation tools. There are many, by the way. There are tools like Privor, there are tools like Zapier, there are tools like Calendly. With Zapier, you can integrate 2 apps together and create an automation yourself, right? So what we did was we created an automation that as soon as someone submits a lead, they get contacted by our team on WhatsApp, right? Now, this happened within seconds or within minutes, within a minute or two. Now this helps people remember and brings back the whole conversation. This keeps the leads warm. It doesn't let them go cold. Now this was the most important part that we had to figure out. This was after many iterations, but we finally figured it out, and we were able to nail these clients and get as many walk-ins as possible, which further converted to sales. Now coming to the conversions, which is what you guys have been waiting for, what the numbers look like. All right, so we had close to 130 people walk in the center, which means a walk-in rate of 11%. This is not the conversion percent. Remember, this is the walk-in rate. We were offering a free trial class for these people. So 130 people came in and opted for the free trial class. They did the trial, whatever, the salesman sold it to them, the head coach sold it to them, and afterwards we had a whooping 6% conversion rate. 6% conversion rate means 72 people opted for the membership, for the annual membership. Now the best part is, since I said this was a premium gym, the pricing was 32,000 rupees per year. Alright, so you do the math, 72 into 32,000, that leads close to 23 lakhs in a span of 6 to 8 months. So overall, the takeaway from this project and this video is that if you are using lead forms, make sure you have an automated system ready. Guys, I wasted few of the leads at the start because I was not aware of this as well. We lost few of the leads which could have converted and could have got revenue from them. But that's not an issue. Maybe we can reach out to them again in the future with some festive offer or whatever be the case. But this is very important that you set up an automated system for this. you set up an automation which converts these people, which reaches out to them so that they become warm, and you offer them a bait or something for them to be able to show proactiveness. In our case, it was a free trial class. I think it was 2 or 3 days free trial class, which really led them to come. And once they were here, they experienced the premium quality of it and they liked it. And thus, we were able to convert almost 72 people, and get great revenue and great ROI from our marketing investment. If you want to scale your business using Facebook ads, we at Salt Media specialize in it. We help you understand your business from online perspective and how to scale it online, right? So if you want, you can book a demo session with us, a demo call with us at the link in the bio, and we will personally speak to you and let's see where we can improve your business. Thank you for watching this. I hope you liked the video. I hope you understood something. If you have any queries, you can write it in the comment. I will be happy to answer all of you guys. I hope to see you all next time in the next video. If you like the video, give it a big thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel so that every time I post a new video, you will be the first to notice.